AI is one of the hottest topics right now. It's being talked about everywhere. People are posting about NAN. People are posting Instagram about AI tools to use. And, most people don't even know where to start. And most people fail at even selling it. And, while the opportunity is huge, it's massive, the execution is where most people fail. They don't know how to sell it. They don't know how to properly structure it in a way where they could sell it at $1,500 to $5,000 a month. And what I'm going to show you in this YouTube video is exactly the 3 reasons why most people fail to sell AI and how you can fix it. So number 1 reason is selling features, guys, not outcomes. So most people are selling a chatbot, little website automations, little automation AI things here and there. You're not selling an actual outcome. It's not really doing anything for them. And people can, it's a commodity. People can go on Fiverr, Upwork, and go get that done real quick from somebody. So, how do we fix a problem like this? And how can you structure an offer where you're able to sell for $1,500 a month to $5,000 per month, right? So the winning fix right here is this system will book you 20 plus additional calls per month and position the outcome first and explain how AI delivers results. Lead with value, not technology, not AI. People are throwing around that word all over the place. Lead with results. So like, for instance, and I'll go down into some results here after this, but features tell, but outcomes sell. So when you lead with AI chatbot, clients see an expense. When you lead with 20% increase in qualified leads, they see an investment that pays for itself, and they can picture the ROI inside of their head of, if they do this, this will bring me this much, time back, save me this much in employee costs and labor, and also bring me this many appointments and this much more revenue. So real world outcome right here, what I'll give you an example of is, this is a home service clients. So these are our chatbots. They're running ads. They're doing a bunch of marketing. Leads are coming in, and our AI bot is scheduling in-person appointments, as you see here, for our clients. So that doing all the qualifications of leads and scheduling them on appointments. So as you see right here, scheduled in the calendar, in-person appointment. The bot is doing all this for them, and the bot is replying back for them, right, and setting up these appointments. So this one wanted a virtual quote. So set up a virtual, sounds good. I'll send over a detailed quote, and then it goes into virtual quote wanted. This one will go into the scheduled in-person appointment tab. So they're able to run their whole entire qualification, lead qualifications, talk to leads, have their AI bot do all the qualifications, customer care, and book appointments for them, and then have a qualified CRM bucket where their leads are getting stored and scheduled in-person appointment, virtual quote, hot leads, price and details sent, closed active clients, etc. These are just some of the opportunity tabs that we have in stages, right? And then you can even have, and you have the agents here, the dashboard, where you could see just in this month alone with this client, we booked him 66 in-person appointments in 22 days or 24 days. As you see, the 9th to the 24th, 64 in-person appointments this AI bot booked for him, and then another 78 in virtual quote wanted, 74 in virtual quotes wanted. So 74 clients wanted a virtual quote, and 66 in-person appointment set up for this client, this home service client, and saved him 6 hours of manual time having to prospect clients, set up appointments, talk to leads, right? And then he also gets the text automations when people book a call, when people want a virtual quote, to his text messages and his phones, to his phone, and they also are in the CRM as well. So he's able to literally just focus on his business, run around, focus on hiring, training, scaling more sales guys, quality of his work, and dealing with customers like at jobs. And our AI bot will literally, and our AI growth system will literally scrape the leads. We could run ads, funnel the leads into the AI system. They'll qualify, book in-person appointments, let him know if they want a virtual quote instead, and he can focus on what he needs to do. So this is a system you could sell to these businesses for $1,500 plus $5,000 per month, and they'll see the ROI in a system like this versus just selling a simple chatbot or something like this. This is a whole system they can run their entire business in. They can send out invoices, have automated invoices sent, automated review systems sent to clients, and run their whole entire system out of something like this, guys. And we use Go High Level for a back end, but this is what you want to sell. This is the outcome, and this is what you want to sell. You don't want to sell, hey, I could build you a chatbot that's going to qualify leads, whatever. Sell the systems. I'll sell, go to clients, and we're saying, listen, man, we can book you 100 plus leads on autopilot for your business, qualified leads on autopilot while you just focus on what you need to do and don't worry about the marketing. And a lot of companies will pay huge money for this stuff, guys. They don't even know how or where to start something. This is, some serious build out. And this is what you want to sell and what you want to go after, guys. This is, straight across every business model, sales, marketing, and customer service. And this business model and this structure goes across. We have chiropractic clients, we have real estate clients, we have government contracting clients, home service, insurance clients, and it goes across. Everything's still the same as far as the setups. The only thing that's really different is like a lot of the scripts. So this is kind of this base structure of how we're going about selling our growth systems, right? So reason number 2 here is the wrong market, no niche focus, guys. So if you sell to everybody, you sell to nobody. And I know I just mentioned we sell to a bunch of different guys right now, but when you're just starting out, I do not recommend selling to everybody. The reason we sell to a lot of people, we get a bunch of referrals. We don't market to everybody. Our marketing is really structured towards one audience. But we get so many referrals and we have so many different clients in the space, and we've been doing it for 2 years now. So we have a team and we can build out pretty quickly. And, but when you're just starting out, and when I started out, I focused on one niche and one niche only, and that was real estate and wholesalers. And if you sell to everybody, like I said, you sell to nobody, and especially just starting out, when you're in the game for a little bit and you understand how all this works, you can easily get into other niches. But in the beginning, just keep everything as simple as possible. That's where people fail, is just overcomplicating everything, right? So the scattershot approach, pitching random businesses without understanding their specific pain points, industry, language, or buying patterns. This is general approach that makes you forgettable and interchangeable, guys. So you want to know like who you're talking to, right? And the reason when I started, I was in real estate. I was wholesaling. So I knew the whole entire business model. So I knew how to set up the automations, what I needed to make this whole entire business just automated. And I knew the pain points, I knew the industry language, I knew buying patterns, I knew why I bought systems for my wholesaling, and that's what I built it around. And that's why I became so successful in my first year of launching. First month did like 23,000, then like 16, then 40,000, and we had like over 50. The first year of opening, we got over 100 clients. So this is the way I went to get my first 100 clients, is literally just going after one industry. I knew the pain points and I knew the industry language. I knew the buyer patterns, and I went after those people. All right. So you want to laser focus fix, dominate one high value niche first, master their problem, speak their language, and become the go-to AI expert in that industry. Expansion comes after the expertise, guys. So like I said before, we do a bunch of different niches, but we have only stuck to one niche until we had over 100 clients in the real estate niche, and we really understood what we were doing. And then it's a lot easier to scale, and you can see how this one niche can also be replicatable in multiple others, just with different scripts. So high value niches that pay premium rates: real estate, beautiful one; home services, insurance, med spa, dentists, chiropractors. All those are great. Our main focus right now, like I said, with real estate, lead qualification, appointment setting, auto follow-up. Agents will pay $1,500, $3,000 a month to never miss a hot prospect again. You can help them find new leads, buyers, sellers, home services, quote requests, like I just showed you on above. Insurance, same thing. Everything is still exactly the same. You're really just kind of dealing with different scripts. And everybody kind of does different things, obviously, in the home service space, real estate space. So you can even get more niche into that if you want to just do health insurance, just roofers, whatever the case may be. So these are just some good niches. And then obviously there's a bunch of sub niches in between there. And I love med spas, dentists, chiropractors. I love these. Reason I love this so much is because these guys are sticky, very sticky. They're businesses that are, you can't just get into them. These are low entry niches for people to get into. So a lot of them are in and out. You're dealing with people that get into the space, they leave the space, unless you're dealing with high end clients that have been there for forever. But a lot of them use systems and are sometimes stuck to their ways. So, and these, you see, great niches, amazing niches. Home service, another amazing niches. A lot of them are sticky. Insurance and real estate, a lot of them are hit or miss. They, especially if you're dealing with wholesalers or agents, they come in, they go. Insurance, same thing. Med spas, dentists, a lot of them, they're in there and they're going to be dentists, chiropractors, and have their practices for a very, very long time. So if you can set up a system for them, like I just showed you above, where automates their appointments, review system, etc., and these guys, as long as they're in business, they'll most likely never unsubscribe from you, and they'll always be a client of yours, right? So I love the med spa, dentist, chiropractor niche. We have a couple of chiropractors, and we're kind of going heavy on that niche right now because they're such great and sticky clients, and I just like the build out process for them. And reason number 3, no proof, no demonstration, guys. Don't show don't tell. The biggest mistake, people talking about AI capabilities instead of demonstrating actual results. Prospectors need to see the magic happen. So when we're doing our demos, we're showing, this stuff up here, guys, like how it's going to work, how they'll get their notifications, how the AI bot is saving our clients time. And we're not just telling them about it. We're showing them the actual results, the numbers, right? So showing them the demo bots in action as well. They can call our phone number, text our phone number, see it in action, talk to our clients, and evidence of rapid implementation and immediate impact for our other clients. So, you definitely want to have this. And obviously, if you don't have it right away, it's okay. It's so easy to get clients still with not having any proof or demonstration, just starting out. You can give people free trials. You can give people free accounts and refers and exchange for like referrals, etc. There's so many people to get in the door to start getting that testimonial. Give somebody an account for free for 14 days or a month or for free and get a testimonial from them, and start building up that proof and those actual client-based testimonials. So the sales winning framework here, the framework is outcome first, lead with the transformation, not the technology. What specific business results will you deliver to your niche? Niche expertise, pick one profitable vertical and become the undisputed AI expert in that industry. Like I said, don't start with a bunch of different niches. Start with one and then niche out if you ever want to, or just stick to one niche the whole entire time. The niches are the riches. I will always agree with that. Tangible proof, showing working demos, share specific case studies every single time when you're on your demos, guys. And this framework turns conversations from what's AI to when can we start. If you master these 3 elements and put it in your back pocket, guys. And this is a insane industry. It's a goldmine industry. It is just the beginning. In my opinion, it's a .com boom. And if you learn how to leverage AI and be able to sell and help businesses make money and sell them a growth system like I just explained, you will learn a skill that you'll make money for the rest of your life. And we show exactly how you can do this completely for free. You can join our free AI Profit Lab school. We have over 2,000 members in here. It's completely for free, guys. You can join. We have a bunch of videos on there. And we also have a thing in here if you want to apply to work one-on-one with us. The links will be in the description, and you can join and also see the links inside of here. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share and join our AI Profit Lab. Again, completely for free. And yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to be posting a lot more on YouTube and breaking down the actual automation structures as well. So yeah, I will see you at the next video.